And I say that because we can create with our hands. We can build other people's ideas with our hands. We can build our own ideas and imaginations with our hands. With our hands. All people are created in the image of God. We reproduce. But a welder and a fitter, you a bad guy. And if you just a fitter alone, you a bad guy. Because you gonna make the welder's job so easy. And if you're a bad fitter, you'll make his job a living nightmare. And if you're a welder and a fitter, you should be winning. If you're a welder and a fitter, there's no way you should be making less than $20 an hour. I don't care where you at. If you need to move, you need to go, because they paying great money. For a welder and a fitter, you're a creator, fabricator. Your hands are valuable. And you know one thing else that's about you that's valuable? We, you and I, us being welders and fitters, we can create other welders and fitters. We can produce other people just like us, hard at what we do, showing them how to use their hands. See, that's how valuable you are. Not only can you make and reproduce, you can teach others how to. And that's how we get our hog on. Black Phoenix.